How to switch between iMessage and text message on iPhone. So here is the easiest step to switch between iMessage and regular text message, SMS or MMS on your iPhone. Perfect if messages sent as green or blue bubbles unexpectedly. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once in there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the apps, then scroll and look for the messages option available there. Inside messages, you can see the iMessage option available there. Now if you toggle that switch off, that means that you can send the text message sent via your carrier network, works with non-Apple device, or when iMessage is toggled on, sent via the internet between Apple devices, iPhone, iPad or Mac. So if it is a blue bubble, then it is iMessage. If it is a green bubble, then it is text message. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.